Mazda CX-5. Over the years, this exceptional crossover has amassed numerous prestigious awards, a testament to its outstanding performance. However, after 7 years in the market, the CX-5 is ready for a refresh. While it still outperforms its competitors in driving dynamics and luxurious features, newer entrants have begun to outshine its accolades. The CX-5 comes equipped with a 187 HP inline-4 engine, available in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations. For a more powerful experience, the optional 256 HP turbocharged 2.5-liter engine is the recommended choice. Notably, Mazda has opted for a traditional 6-speed automatic transmission, steering clear of the popular CVT, enhancing the CX-5's driving pleasure. Inside, the CX-5 boasts a luxurious ambience, though it sacrifices some space for its elegant design. For those seeking more room, alternatives like the newer Honda CR-V or the slightly larger CX-50 may be preferable. Nonetheless, despite its age, the CX-5 maintained its spirited driving performance, proving its enduring appeal. The CX-5's standard 187 HP 4-cylinder engine delivers impressive throttle response, making it feel quicker than expected when navigating city streets or accelerating from stoplights. However, at higher speeds, like when passing or merging onto the freeway, the engine may feel a bit underpowered. In contrast, the 256 HP turbocharged version offers much more rapid acceleration. Both engines are paired with a snappy 6-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for a seamless driving experience. What's remarkable about the CX-5 is that you don't have to push it to its limits to enjoy its excellence. Overall, the Mazda CX-5 impresses with its versatile performance, comfort, and handling, making it a top contender in the competitive crossover market.